Rolls-Royce Phantom is one of the most expensive luxury sedans in the world, often costing over $450,000, depending on customization. It is known worldwide as a symbol of ultimate luxury and prestige. Welcome to editzone, where we bring you detailed reviews of heavy machinery and the latest cars. The Rolls-Royce cabin is extremely spacious and built with premium leather, wood, and metal finishes. It provides a quiet, palace-like environment for ultimate luxury and comfort. The driver cockpit features a modern digital instrument cluster and a premium steering wheel. Its clean layout gives the driver smooth control and a relaxed driving experience. The front seats are made with hand-stitched leather and soft cushioning for maximum comfort. They include electric adjustment, heating, ventilation, and massage features. The rear lounge offers first-class comfort with reclining seats and large legroom. It creates a private and relaxing VIP travel experience. The famous Starlight Headliner contains hundreds of fiber optic lights in the roof. It creates a beautiful starry sky effect inside the cabin at night. The center console features polished controls, hidden storage, and a luxury infotainment controller. Its elegant design blends technology with premium craftsmanship. The dashboard has a clean and luxurious design with digital displays and handcrafted wood panels. It combines modern technology with classic Rolls-Royce elegance. The passenger side includes the special gallery panel that can display custom artwork. This feature turns the dashboard into a personal luxury art showcase. The door panels are finished with soft leather and polished metal accents. They also include hidden umbrella compartments and soft close automatic doors. At night, soft ambient lighting highlights the cabin's luxury materials. Combined with the starlight roof, it creates a calm and magical atmosphere. The car is powered by a powerful 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine. It delivers extremely smooth, quiet, and effortless performance.